Salam to everyone. My name is Ishika. I hope you all are safe and good at home. Children, I welcome you all in Shrima online classes. In previous video, we have done chapter number 8, numbers from 21 to 50. In this chapter, I introduce you two-digit numbers that is start from 10. So here we have numbers that is from 21 to 50. So in this lesson we are going to learn, or we are going to understand the concept of doubling, or the place value of the numbers. Suppose if there is 18, like this, so the place value of 1 is tens, and 8 has place value of ones, or we can say 8 has ones place value and 1 has tens place value. Okay, so we will separate the numbers according to this place value. After that we have, because in the number system we have so many digits of numbers, but first of all we learned about one digit number, then two digit number. After that, from 100 we will learn three digit number. And I know you all are very well known about the three digit number, because you have done countings up to 500. You will know about that also. So here we have place value, that is tens and ones. Now we have done up to the page number 105. We will revise it again. Here we have first number 25. So you can see 5 is written. 5 is written 5 is written in one side, and 2 is written in 10 side. So here we have to write the numbers as per instruction. So now from the second line it is done already. Now come to the third line, second line, first row. Here we have to in this number, here it is written 2 and 3, so the number is total 23, that we have to write in a circle. Okay, next 42. So here we have to write in circle 42. Now in the next question, there are bundles of 2. It means in the 10 side 2 will come, and in the one side how many matchsticks are there? Just count. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So when 2 and 6 comes, it becomes 26. So when 2 and 6 comes together, it becomes 26. So in this way you have to write in the given boxes. First of all, you have to count the bundles. How many bundles are there? That you have to write in 10 side here. And when you will read one's line, that you have to write in one's side. So when they come together, it form a number properly. Okay, so in this way you have to complete your all questions. Now in the second page, next page, here we have numbers that is from 21 to 40. As you can see here, if the bundle is not there, so that you have to write bundles a number also. But here we have two columns, that is tens and ones. So tens and ones. So here we have to write the number according to the given bundles. Mainly it is in the form of counting. Suppose 21, 22, 23. You can see here it forms a counting, that is started from 21. So how can we write here? Now look at this question. Here it is written 23. So two bundles are there, but what about 3? So here we have to draw 3 matchstick here. Okay, in this way you have to do this. Okay, now in the next line, 2 bundles are there and 4 matchsticks are there, so it form 24. In this way you have to write in a circle. All questions are like that only. You have to do carefully. After that, here we have counting, that is from number 41 to 50. Here there are 4 bundles and 1 matchstick. It is same as per previous page. That is, you have to count first the bundles and then given matchsticks. It will become a. Okay. Now in the next line, 4 bundles are there and no matchsticks will be there, so you have to draw here 2 matchsticks. It becomes 42. Now in the next question, everything is okay. 4 bundles are there, 3 matchsticks are there, so it include 43. Now in the next way, here you have to draw the bundle of 10 matchsticks. So what you do, if there is problem in making bundles, you have to just make a square and draw the dots over there like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Again 4 box. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Again one more box. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Here is not proper place, but when you do in your book, it is easy to draw the squares, or you can make line like this and over that draw the 10 dots. It also look like the matchsticks. Okay, if you are not able to draw the square, what you do first, you have to draw the lines that comes together like this, and then you have to draw the 10 dots. It also considered as a matchsticks. Okay, so in this way you have to do all the lines. Now in the next page, it is the last page. Here you have to write the missing number. Children, you can see here it is a counting. So in the first line, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 is written. After that 11 is written, then you have to write down 12. 13 is written, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19 and 20. In this way you can write countings from 1 to 50. Okay, I hope you all will do this work in your book, and before this chapter all work should be done properly in your book. In the next video we will meet with new work. Till then, Sai Ram.